Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube thumbnail in Canva in a very simple way. You just simply come over into your Canva and then here you will find the option called YouTube thumbnail. If you click on that, then it will redirect you to the YouTube thumbnail option, and from here there are lots of templates over here. So you can search any of your preferable YouTube thumbnail template, like I'm choosing gaming. Click enter. You can see there are lots of gaming YouTube thumbnail over here template. You can see if you want to select this one, you can simply select this, and from here you can customize this picture as well. Also you can customize this name over here. Also you can customize the whole color, everything you want to do. Yeah, this is how you can customize YouTube thumbnail or make YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.